The strength of solidarity. Understanding. Stalwart Companion. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that paints a vivid picture of loyalty, strength, and unwavering support. Stalwart Companion. This expression is not just about friendship. It's a testament to the kind of bond that withstands the tests of time and adversity. Let's explore what makes a stalwart companion, and why this term is so powerful in the English language. Stalwart is an adjective that means strong, loyal, reliable, and hardworking. It's derived from the Old English words for steadfast and brave. When we say someone is stalwart, we're describing a person who is unwavering in their support and dedication. Companion, on the other hand, refers to a friend, associate, or partner. It's someone who accompanies you, shares your experiences, or participates in your adventures. Together, stalwart companion refers to a friend or partner characterized by their remarkable strength, loyalty, and reliability. It's someone who stands by you through thick and thin, offering support and strength no matter the circumstances. The phrase, stalwart companion, is often found in literature, movies, and everyday language to describe a relationship that is profoundly reliable and enduring. It evokes a sense of heroism, adventure, and unwavering loyalty. In stories, a stalwart companion might be the hero's sidekick who faces dangers, shares burdens, and provides support through all challenges. This expression is also used metaphorically to describe anything that serves as a reliable support in difficult times, such as a belief, a tool, or a practice. For example, one might refer to their faith or a cherished personal journal as their stalwart companion through life's ups and downs. Let's see how stalwart companion can be used in sentences. During my years of travel, my journal has been my stalwart companion, capturing every high and low. In every adventure novel, the protagonist is often accompanied by a stalwart companion, ready to face any challenge together. My dog, with his unwavering loyalty and protective nature, has been my stalwart companion through many of life's trials. These examples show how the phrase can describe different forms of steadfast support, whether it's a person, an object, or an animal. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and significance of the phrase, stalwart companion. It's a beautiful expression that highlights the best of what relationships can offer: strength, loyalty, and unwavering support. We hope this video has been informative and has given you a deeper appreciation for the rich expressions the English language has to offer. Remember, a stalwart companion is more than just a friend. They're a pillar of strength and a beacon of loyalty. See you in our next video.